Oh my gosh, bro, I think it's here after like so long, like a week or 2 weeks. It is. Oh, that. All right, here we got our Eskute. Here it is, our special bike that Eskute has sent to us because I made that review. All right, let's get to unboxing. All right, so here we are. We're about to unbox this, or we're gonna read the instructions. How to program before it. I'm definitely gonna need my parents' help with this. But anyway, let's get to unboxing. Okay, finally. Yo, is this carbon fiber? I'm just kidding. All right. Anyways, Dad, come.
Okay, 205. Lock in your code. Check this out. Turn it back. Save your code. You know your birthday. Test and confirm. All right, so let's see if we can put this in. Here we go. Let's see, 2, 0, 1. You know, might be cool. Maybe it works. If you keep it in your bag again.
All right, we're gonna go head over to the park to try out this new bike lock on an actual bike stand. So I'm gonna give you guys a time lapse. Here we go. All right, guys, we're here and we're gonna test out the bike lock to make sure it's secure and ready for real life, or ready for school. Yeah. All right. I'm just gonna get to it already. All right, guys. I know this is a terrible view, but we're gonna make it work. So we have our bike lock, and we're gonna go over. We got it unlocked? Yeah, we got it unlocked. That's good test, number 1. All right, we got it on. Now we're gonna see if it actually works. Let's go. So as you can see, we got it on. We attached it to the blue pole. Now, try moving it. We're gonna try moving my bike back. Here we go. Yeah, as you can see, this thing is not going anywhere. And I put in a random code. And honestly, this bike lock is so easy and simple that I'll just give it like a solid. I wish it was a little bit more secure, and because it's just a simple code, but overall I like it. It's super easy, and yeah, it's great for just normal riding, and this will definitely keep my bike at school. All right, let's get to the cut of going. All right, we're gonna get some wheelie clips in now, so let's go. Hey, what? If I put this in the beginning or the end, this is a message for Eskute. If you see this, my birthday is coming up, and I wish for the Nova Mini, and that'd be like a great birthday present. I'll pay you $200 if you send me it, and then I'll give it a good review. Hi, Johnson. I'll give it a good review and post it online for $200 if you send me it for my birthday. And that's about all. Also, another message for Eskute. I need rear suspension. Please send me new rear suspension. I tried sending it off a jump, and I absolutely cooked myself, and my rear suspension got bottomed out. So, yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next long form.